What are the best cities where you can buy property in Europe? With property investment a safe haven asset that lets you build wealth over time, you'll want a location with rising values but also still within your budget. Here is a list of the top places to purchase real estate, whether you're a first-time buyer or you want to diversify your current investments. Number 1, Paris, France. Real estate in Paris has long been regarded as one of the most prestigious residential markets in the world due to its stunning architecture, exceptional and well-known landmarks, numerous museums and art galleries, endless supply of opulent boutiques, wide variety of Michelin-starred restaurants, and the distinct French art of living. There's no wonder why the property values continue to rise in this city. Many investors also find they can get high rental yields from their investments. Number 2, Valletta, Malta. Malta is a first-world jewel of 3 islands in the Mediterranean that's a quick plane ride away from most of Europe. The capital city, Valletta, is one of the most historic cities worldwide, with a timeless atmosphere and a hub for dining, shopping, business, and more. Purchasing property in Malta also gives you the benefit of a multilingual population speaking plenty of English, a welcoming culture, superb healthcare, and a pro-landlord environment. For budget-conscious investors, other affordable areas in Malta to purchase are St. Paul's Bay, Marsalforn, and Zlandi. However, do note that Malta requires foreigners to spend at least €104,737 when purchasing apartments and at least €174,514 when purchasing a house. Number 3, Limassol, Cyprus. Cyprus is centrally located with easy access to London, Dubai, and the rest of Europe. For the best cosmopolitan lifestyle, combined with old-world charm and rich history, you'll want to consider investing in Limassol. The popular marina area is also filled with good dining and shopping. The housing growth is stable, making it a great place to invest. It's also relatively easy for foreigners to make purchases. However, UK nationals do have some restrictions. This includes a limit of 1 property and various permissions you need to apply for from the Council of Ministers. Coming up next, you will hear about a top city that is an excellent place to buy properties and grow your wealth as the property values there are predicted to stay strong. And we also saved one of Europe's best-kept secrets for last. So stay tuned for that, but first like this video and let us know in the comments below what other kinds of questions you have about buying properties abroad. And we'll answer your question in the next video. Number 4, Davos, Switzerland. Switzerland is a well-known alpine destination and Davos is considered one of the high-altitude wellness resorts. It's a major conference and sports center in both winter and summer. People are increasingly more aware of the importance of nature for health and well-being. Therefore, the property values of towns in the Alps are predicted to stay strong. While Switzerland has restrictions for foreigners buying residential property, they can purchase holiday homes or a second resident if you commute to work in the country. Non-residents can also purchase commercial property with no restrictions if the property is intended solely for investment purposes. Number 5, Milan, Italy. Italy offers a rich culture and history, amazing Mediterranean climate, and delicious cuisines. Milan is one of the best cities to live in Italy, based on the international population, quality of life you can expect, and amenities, such as public transportation. Experts expect property prices here to resume growing in the upcoming years. Generally, there are no restrictions for foreigners buying property in Italy. Your money needs to be well documented and an international treaty must permit the purchase. However, EU citizens can make purchases without restrictions. For anyone buying an investment property, you could benefit from a government program that covers renovation costs to improve energy efficiency. Eco-friendly properties are a sure way to drive up value. Number 6, Krakow, Poland. Poland's property investments are one of Europe's best-kept secrets since the country is experiencing a booming pre-pandemic tourist industry. Krakow is the tourism capital, with people visiting to experience the rich history. There's something for everyone from museums and historical buildings to quaint streets and a roaring nightlight. Buying costs here are also low enough for first-time buyers and you're interlinked to other European countries. Additionally, Krakow has a lively student population since it has 10 universities. So between students and vacation rentals, the high demand for rent in this city means you could purchase a reasonably priced apartment and quickly profit. However, you do need to purchase a special permit from the Polish ministry to buy property in Poland. Now, if you want to learn more about the best countries to build wealth or how to become a self-made millionaire, make sure you check out these 2 videos right here. I'll see you in the next one.